Yo, what's going on YouTube? Good morning. It's an early day. Look at the time. 6:51 in the morning. And you notice we got the vet. It's in the trailer. Today, this is actually getting its baseline dyno tune. Taking it to Grade A Garage. The owner, Matt of Grade A Garage, I texted him earlier this week. I was like, do you care if we do a baseline on this? And he said yes. So thank you to Matt for squeezing me in. I know you're busy, but we got to go. As you see, my hair is still wet, but it's early morning and we gotta go. Got the rig all set up. Let's make way to Alrighty, we're about 11 minutes away from Grade A Garage. They're up here on the border of Ohio and Pennsylvania by Burgettstown area. Good shop. They did my buddy's Mustang. They killed it. It's pretty quick. His Mustang's pretty quick. But like I said, Corvette's completely stock. So we're just gonna go do a baseline 3-pull, just see what the car's making in its stock form. After reading about it and everything, the car should be making around between 530, 545 ish. That's on a higher end, but I'm just gonna go with this car is gonna make like 541, or we'll say 536 to 541. Anywhere in there, I'll be chilling. I'll be happy with it. Get this thing on the dyno. Alright, so car's back off the dyno, back loaded up at 556 horsepower, 543 torque. Shout out to Grade A Garage for getting me in to be able to go ahead and get this number, just so I know what the car's running stock. The car did way better than I was anticipating. Like I said, around 10 to 12 horsepower more that I would guess, which was 541 to 556 or whatever that is. This is gonna do it for this video. I got about a 2-hour drive home, so thank you for watching. Peace.